In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Gemini chat history. If you've been using Gemini and want a clean slate, or you simply prefer to tidy up old conversations for privacy and organization, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to remove chats you no longer need. I'll explain the process clearly so you know where to click and what to expect along the way. Start by opening your Gemini account. Make sure you're signed in with the correct account you use for your conversations because the history you see is tied to that login. Once you're in, look toward the menu where you manage your account and preferences. You're heading to Settings and Help. Depending on your device or the version you're using, it may appear as Settings and Help or a gear icon that opens the same options. The idea is the same. You're going into the place where you control how Gemini works for you. Inside Settings and Help, find the section labeled Activity. This is where Gemini keeps a record of your past chats, making it easy to review or remove what you don't want to keep. Opening Activity will show you your conversation history in one place, which is helpful if you want to double-check what's there before you clear it. When you're ready, click Delete. This action removes the chats you no longer need from your activity. It's designed to be straightforward, so you can quickly clear things out without hunting through multiple menus. If you see a confirmation prompt, that's normal. It's just there to make sure you don't delete anything by accident. Go ahead and confirm if you're certain. Keep in mind that deleting is typically permanent, so it's a good idea to pause for a moment and verify you're clearing exactly what you intend to remove. A quick tip. After deleting, give the page a moment to refresh so you can confirm your history looks the way you expect. If you're using Gemini across devices, the change should reflect on each one associated with your account. If the interface looks a little different, don't worry. Labels can vary slightly between app and web, but activity and delete will be the key items you're looking for. That's all there is to it. Open your Gemini account, go to Settings and Help, tap Activity, and click Delete to remove chats you no longer need. Keeping your chat history tidy not only helps with privacy and peace of mind, it also makes your workspace feel clear and focused for your next session.